My time at Pima Medical has been challenging but fulfilling. There are layers to everything we learn. We are the eyes of the diagnostic facility. We look at what's there and then we tell the doctors so they can make the decisions.
Doctors really rely on medical lab techs. If you get it wrong, the whole patient charting or care is wrong.
They're able to treat that person a lot quicker without having to kind of guess what's wrong with them. Originally, I wanted to get a chemistry degree because I wanted to do this work. So I looked it up and I saw that you can go here for like half as much time, much more affordable, and then I could still do the work that I wanted to do.
Pima Medical is a lot more personal. I took microbiology at a previous college. We didn't get as in-depth as we are in the medical lab.
The staff is fantastic.
It really feels like they care that you excel once you're gone, and they're already preparing you for the workplace and finding you someplace to actually go once you're out of this program.